If you have started your computer and you notice that your Windows Time service is missing entirely, then bring back the time back to Windows with this guide. So first, restart your computer before attempting any major troubleshooting. While it may sound simple, restarting the computer resolves minor errors and glitches that prevent the service from running. Now, if restarting the computer does not work, you must change the time server. To do so, go to Control Panel, select Date and Time, head over to the Internet tab, click Change Settings, check the Synchronize with an Internet Time Server box, then select a time server from the drop-down menu. Once done, click the Update Now option to synchronize your computer with the time server. And once you have completed that, click OK to save the changes and exit the window. Now, if the Windows Time server is still missing, add more time servers by opening regedit. Navigate to this following path, create a new string value named server_n, then replace n with a number starting from number 1. Then, add a time server address in the value data field by double-clicking on it. Then try to add this time server address. Then close the registry editor. And that's how to restore missing Windows Time service in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.